Available at the Titan Outlet Store, we have a 1975 John Deere 4230 two-wheel drive tractor. The tires on this tractor are 16.9 R38s with 35% rubber. This tractor is equipped with 3-point hitch. Also has 540 and 1000 PTO. This tractor also has 2 remotes. And this tractor has the quad range transmission. If you are interested in this 1975 John Deere 4230 two-wheel drive tractor and would like more information or have another piece of equipment you're looking for, please call 877-886-7010 or visit us online at TitanOutletStore.com.